And then it opens the door for you to step more fully into what your natural gifts are and really be able to share that with the people who really need that piece of you. Because you're the only one really who can bring that magic into the world. That's why you are encoded with that specific set of skills, right? And then as far as like even accounting, it's so like all these places are represented in your chart. There's specific aspects. Every area of your business really can be addressed through the chart. And that's something I'm planning on doing through the membership, which would be the Summit Systems program.
Magic.